Hi, in this video, I'd like to share with you how to download and install Oracle JDK 17 on Java Development Kit for Java version 17 on Windows operating system. I am Nam Haming from CodeJava.net. You know, Oracle JDK is the commercial build for JDK from Oracle, the steward of Java technology, and it is free for personal development and production use, and organizations must pay for commercial use via Java SE subscription. And Oracle JDK is distributed as an archive file or installer such as XG on Windows, RPM on Linux, and DMG on Mac. And Oracle JDK 17 is a long-term support or LTS release of Java SE 17, and it is released on September the 14th of 2021. And this is the official download page of Oracle JDK 17. And after downloading, you should verify the SHA-256 checksum of the downloaded file, and the installer program automatically updates the path environment variable. Open the new command prompt and type java-version. And you see, currently I'm using OpenJDK version 15 here. And let's head over to the official download page of Java SE 17, Oracle JDK 17 at this URL you see. Okay, this is the official download page for Java SE Development Kit 17, and choose Windows here and choose to download x64-bit installer program. So click the download link here. You see it is downloading JDK 17 Windows installer program. Okay, the download is complete, and click show in folder to open the directory containing the downloaded file here, and double click this installer program to start installing Oracle JDK 17 on Windows computer. You see, this is a setup program for installing Java SE Development Kit 17 64-bit. Just click Next and choose default installation directory. Next. Okay, so I have completed installation of Oracle JDK 17. Click Close. Okay, and then to verify, open a new command prompt window and type java-version. And you see it shows Java version 17 here, and also type Java C dash version to see the version of Java compiler. You see Java C 17. That means I have successfully installed Oracle JDK 17 on my Windows computer. That's how to download and install Oracle JDK 17. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.